In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a device in Teamviewer. This process can be completed in just a few simple steps and will allow you to easily manage remote connections to your devices. Whether you're working from a home office or managing IT systems remotely, these steps will help ensure you can effortlessly connect to and control a new device using Teamviewer. First, let's start by opening Teamviewer on both the local device you're using and the remote device you wish to connect to. Teamviewer is a versatile tool that's widely used for remote control, desktop sharing, online meetings, and file transfer between computers. So, having it open on both devices is crucial for ensuring a seamless connection. Once you have Teamviewer open on both devices, the next step is to sign into your account. You'll need to log in with the same account on both the local and the remote device. This is because having both devices registered under your account allows Teamviewer to authenticate the connection safely and securely, providing a smooth user experience. Now that you're signed in, direct your attention to the left sidebar within the Teamviewer interface. Here, you will see a variety of options, but for our purpose today, we're looking for Devices. Clicking on it will lead you to where you can manage your connected devices and add new ones. With the Devices menu open, your next move is to click on the Add option. Doing so will reveal a few choices. For this tutorial, we're focusing on how to add a new device, so you'll want to select Add this device. This option enables you to link the device you're currently working from to your Teamviewer account. It's an essential step for setting up any remote connection or access. After selecting Add this device, you'll be prompted to provide a device alias. This alias can be a simple name or identifier that helps you recognize the device in the future. It's a good idea to choose something straightforward and easy to remember, such as the device's location or its primary user's name. Finally, once you've entered the device alias, go ahead and click the Add Device button. This action completes the process, officially adding the device to your Teamviewer account. You'll now find it listed among your devices, ensuring that it's ready for remote access whenever you need it. And there you have it. Adding a device in Teamviewer is as easy as that. Now you're all set to enjoy the full benefits of remote connectivity and device management. Remember, Teamviewer is a powerful tool for personal and professional use, making distant collaborations and remote